Starting first.
I'm running.
So we are happy we have finally been granted bail. It has been a long night for us in the cells. We are very grateful for our lawyers and the support that we have received reports that there was tremendous support that is coming in from all media, social media, and I really want to thank you guys. For me, for now, it's time for me to go home and be with family, get in blanket because it was so cold today, but I really think the process right and for everyone of you who keeps waters trying night was long night. Namata actually couldn't sleep yesterday. But we are now waiting for the judgment which is going to be taking place on the 20th of July. So it's something that we are now pressing for. So yeah, I can't say much more other than that. Thank you.
Okay.
So yeah, I think what I will say is that I strongly am going to affirm what Wangai has said, and just add on to the gratitude that I feel for everyone who has supported us, Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, Scanlon and Hoarders, and a lot of people that prefer not to be mentioned, but who have been really supporting us, both on social media, in the media, and just generally around. I think maybe what I just want to emphasize is that people should not get stuck in the idea that we got arrested and it turns into a media frenzy. People should be asking why we got arrested. Why were we out there in the first place? Because this is a big conversation that we're not having as a nation, and we must be in a position not to get caught up in us being arrested. There's absolutely nothing special about us. We're just ordinary citizens, we're just people. What people now have to be asking themselves is why did this young woman get arrested? And more people have to now start showing up to actually ask those questions as to why are these processes around the constitutional amendment bill number 2 being done with very minimum public consultation, and yet we are amending the constitution that will affect millions of Zimbabweans. But otherwise, I just wanted to express my gratitude to everyone who stood with us. Prison is a very cold place and it's very dark. And it was a traumatic experience, but we're grateful for the support that we got.
What are the bail conditions, Namatai?
Okay, so for the bail conditions that we got, we had to pay 3,000 RTGS, and we had our passports taken away. We also have to report to Harare Central every Friday, and we will be appearing in court again on the 20th of July. So that's basically what we have been told will happen.
What will be your message to young people like you out there, precisely on the amendment bill, seeing that was your cause?
Okay. So my message to young people out there is just that you should remember that the constitution of this country is the supreme law, upon which every other law finds its validation and it finds its force. And if our constitution is amended and young people are not involved, we must understand that we have the longest time to be governed under that constitution. So it's actually a matter of our interest to make sure that we contribute to the process meaningfully and genuinely. And the process cannot be cosmetic, it cannot be tokenistic, it cannot be rigged. It has to be a genuine process where people are asked and young people participate, especially young people participate, because you will be governed under this constitution for the longest time. I keep giving reference to the 2018 consultations. People went all the way to districts. They went, but we're in the middle of a pandemic, and people can't really move. And those consultations have not been done, at a ward level, at a district level. They were only done in provinces, and a lot of people did not have access to make their contributions. So to the young people, we need to question that, and we need to be in a position where we actually, interact and engage with our leaders in a peaceful way, of course, to actually find out what exactly is happening and how can we make sure that the process becomes transparent and young people are genuinely consulted and included.
Does this experience break your heart?
Definitely. I think that the fact that the Constitution is being amended breaks our hearts, especially for me personally, and as well as the way that it has been done. For me, it just leaves much to be desired. For instance, the Harare consultations were done on Zoom which is a platform that can only accommodate between 100 to 500 people. Worse off, it was done online. And because it was done online, some people don't have access to data, they don't have access to Wi-Fi. So we are just, reserving the able to comment or to contribute to what the constitution of this country will be to a few privileged individuals who have money, who have access to internet or whatever. So I just feel like because the constitution of this country was done by consultations that put everyone on an equal playing field, whereby people could actually attend in person, there is actually a need to delay this process until the pandemic is over, because right now we should be focusing on that. People are probably hungry or depressed somewhere. Let's focus on those issues that have that are directly dealing with people's well-being and welfare in the pandemic. We can do the constitution much later when the pandemic is over and everyone can participate freely. I mean, what's the rush? That's the big question. So I think that would be my response to that.
Do you feel safe after this experience?
I think our interview ends ends right now. Thank you. Thank
Was
you
it your first time in police cells?
Sorry?
Was it your first time in police cells?
Yes, this was both our first time getting arrested.
Okay.
So it was it's pretty awful, bad experience.
Thank you so much. That's Namatai and Wongai giving us a press statement after them being granted 3,000 bail at the Harare Magistrate Court, where they appeared this morning after being arrested yesterday. Thank you so much for watching Sly Media. We are still waiting for the Minister of Health and Child Care, Obadiah Moyo, who has just been arraigned into the courts a few minutes ago. We'll be giving you a press conference after that. To share and like our page. Silvester